salt is well known as great treatment joint pain. This unique mineral is rich in sulfates and such important mineral as magnesium that can be easily absorbed by the skin. However, is it the only way of its uses? Today's video will discuss 7 common health problems that can be treated with 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Number 1. Relief joint pain. It is not a secret that is the primary and the most common usage of Epsom salt. Taking on Epsom salt helps your skin to absorb plenty of minerals that your joints need. It is the most effective way to get clear magnesium. Number 2. Clear greasy hair effectively. If you have problems with your greasy hair, then Epsom salt is the only that you need to add to your shampoo. It increases the effectiveness of any shampoo a few times. Number 3. Foot scrub. To smooth the skin of your feet, you need to mix together Epsom salt, olive oil, and some castile soap. Apply the scrub twice a week to achieve the best effect. Number 4. Face scrub. Add some Epsom salt to your face cream and apply on your skin carefully. Massage your entire face with circular pulses and slow motions, and then wash your face with warm water. Make your face look perfect. Number 5. Clean your bathroom. Prepare the mixture of some liquid soap and Epsom salt to make clear each inch of your dirty sink and greasy bath, muddy walls, and the floor. Number 6. Fertilize the soil. The most unpredictable uses of Epsom salt is to add it in the soil to fertilize. Now your plant and fruits grow faster and faster. Number 7. Epsom salt bath is heated. Sulfate and such important mineral magnesium are the best means to relieve head pain and relax your body. It treats not only joints. If you want to say forever goodbye to your toxic soaps, scrubs, creams, and shampoos, choose Epsom salt. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.